Alright, we got a little preview video here of the Type 4. This is going to be over on CT's channel, I'm sure. So this is the 914 1.7 liter Type 4 motor. Got it laid out here, most of it anyway. He's still hiding some of this stuff on me, missing an oil pump and a few other items. But got our cylinder heads here. We did a spring upgrade on these, machined the valve guide bosses down, and we went with a set of webcam 00268 springs on here, and they worked out really nice set of springs. We got some of our gasket kit here laid out. We got our crankshaft already assembled. Pre-assembled this the other day. We did a little video. I'm sure he's going to put it all together or make a couple series or parts out of it, whatever. This is the piston cylinder set from A&A. We went back to the factory bore size. It had a set of big bores on there, but trying to get the compression back down to a reasonable number where you can drive it, and thought this would be the best setup for him. So we got those set up. We did pop them out, clean them, set the ring gap on them. There's our cam, one of the 86 webcam. There's our hardware for our cylinder heads, our main studs, some of the other hardware, push rods, rocker springs, a couple more studs for the case on the other side there, cylinder head studs. Got the web lifters, got our rocker arm assemblies, got our case over here. Got this really nice stand for the Type 4. This is CT's yoke, like he likes to call it. But it fits this sweet little AC Delco stand I have. Anyway, got all the bearings in here, laid everything out, pretty much pre-assembled everything rotated really nice. And we'll clean this up one more time and do the final assembly, hopefully tomorrow. Thought I would just make a quick video on my channel and show this motor, because a lot of people have showed interest in it, wanted me to make a video on it. But it'll be over there at CT Moog. Go check it out. I don't know when the videos will come out, but we're going to work on getting this put together, and definitely going to fire this one up on the ground. Got all the sheet metal all painted and everything. It's all ready to go. Should be a really nice piece. Got an all new exhaust system for it. Got brand new 40mm Weber IDFs for it. So should be a nice build. We're going to concentrate on building the engine, and then we'll do the carburetor setup, and pretty much get everything set up where we can start this thing out of the car. Because there's not a lot of access on a 914. Once you get the thing in there, it's pretty much a done deal. So we want to make sure we don't have any leaks, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we'll get it in the car, and maybe you'll finish one project, I don't know. So I hope you guys don't mind my AC there. It's hot in Florida now. I had to rig this up out there where it was quiet enough and we could still film in here. So that's what's going on here, not a lot. Just get this thing going. Got that transmission done. I think they're bringing it back because they have gear reduction axles right now, and they want to switch those off. Go back to a regular axle, and we'll have to flip the ring gear over for them. So got that coming up. Got this little 1600 done. This little 1600 with a cam. It's a bus block. Got a set of I think they're OEM German heads on there, or Brazilian, I don't know, Volkswagen heads. I did a sweet little valve job on them, did a little port work. So A&A cylinders and pistons on there, a Scat C35 cam, and Scat lifters. And we got a set of A&A rods in this one, and we refaced the flywheel. Got to get a few more components for this, paint some sheet metal, and we're going to fire that one up. And yeah, so that's what's going on around here, not a whole lot. So anyway, I hope you guys follow along on the Type 4 build, and looking forward to getting this one out of the garage. It takes up a lot of space. You know, a lot more parts on a Type 4 than a Type 1, but so anyway, I thought I'd show you a few of the components, and CT will do a good job of recording this. I'm sure I'm butchering this up, but anyway, go follow it over there, and we'll try to cover this the best we can for you. All right, you guys have a good night, and have a great weekend.